What's up guys, it's Kevin with Moto Expo as well as Conquer Polaris and Can-Am, and today we're going to talk about 2020 Can-Am Defenders. This specifically, the HD8 Max. What a Max is, 6-passenger. HD8 is available with and without power steering. It's called dynamic power steering, or you might see DPS. With and without DPS is going to come with a 27-inch Maxxis Bighorn 2.0 tire on a 14-inch wheel. You can see that wheel right there is super nice wheel for most utility style rigs. Coming around to the back, full-size dump bed, full-size 2-inch tow hitch. This thing's going to pull, tow, or haul anything you need it to do. 800cc HD8 engine, belt driven down here at the bottom. Available with and without DPS, but that's not where the fun stops. Right now, Can-Am's throwing out a huge offer. $1,000 factory rebate and 0% for 60 months combined. In addition to everything else, obviously has selectable 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with an unlockable rear differential for that tight turning radius.